Good afternoon, all. Today is World Mental Health Day, and this mental day falls in this Navratri where Ma Durga is blessing upon us, showering her blessing on us and helping us keep our mental health very strong. So, I wish all of you, specifically those who are working day in and day out in this particular pandemic, I'm wishing them a very strong mental health, positive mental health, balance, because this year's the theme is very apt. Mental health in an unequal world. What a theme, really. Last 1.5 year, nearly 2 years, we are facing a lot of inequality, and in this inequality, to keep your equilibrium, or that is your mental health, strong. Physical health is already important, but there's a lot of burnout syndrome. Everybody is under stress, hiding our emotions, trying to be positive. It is not easy to be positive all the while. It is normal sometime to have certain negative thoughts or anxiety or depression or feeling low. But what a apt theme is been suggested on this particular day is in an unequal world. The whole world is unequal, and we have experienced it. Each one of us has experienced that this time the world was not easy. Full lifestyle took a 360-degree change, and it's really challenging for everyone, every citizen, not only in India but in the whole universe, because this pandemic has taken toll on whole of the India. And that is why I felt like speaking on this day a little bit about mental health, because it matters. Dear friends, it's you who is responsible for your own mental health. Though it sounds very easy, but it's very difficult to maintain the equilibrium of your own mental health. Looking after your own self, telling every day yourself that it is possible, nothing is impossible. This phase too shall pass, and just waiting for this phase to pass. We all are empowering ourselves to be balanced, emotionally strong. That is very important, to be emotionally strong and have all positive attitudes. Always saying all is well, all is well, all is going to be well. Yes, in this unequal world, which is not everything is not our cup of tea. Everybody is not the same way, may have this bad patch. We must go through this bad patch so that we'll know the importance of the good patch. Maybe God wants us to become more stronger during these 2 particular years, so that we come out as a beautiful human being. Dear friends, to maintain your equilibrium and to wipe out this unequal world and to come to the normalcy, there are little tips, few tips that you can follow. You are your own creator. Believe in that. Believe in your own self, because you matter. Everything is within. You are your motivation. You are your inspiration. Don't forget that. Formulate sankalp. Do certain kind of sankalp to bring the stability, because stability is very important in this particular situation. In this particular crisis, mental health, mental peace, mental stability, body stability, mental stability, and for that you need to do certain sankalps, that is called as resolutions. that every day 20 minutes just keeping your body stable, chanting some mantras, doing some meditation, and going introvert and finding out what is causing that stress. Let me get release, just pull it out from up and throw it out from your body. It is you who is going to do it. I'm sure it's going to help you. For that, formulate certain habits, good habits. Whatever is bad coming, try to throw. Don't keep that baggage. Your mind becomes a full truck of negative thoughts sometimes. It sounds easy to throw it out, but it takes little more time to throw it out. So have good thoughts, read good books. These are a few tips I'm just giving over here. There's a lot to talk on mental health, but today is a World Mental Health Day, and you must talk on it. Open it up, ventilate out, formulate support system, go to bed on time, minimum use of media, minimum use of social network, because there's such a lot of videos and things are put which disturbs you. They may directly, indirectly affect your mental health. So try to be in association with some positive power. All these Navratris, you chant some mantras, pray to the goddesses. All the goddesses will come down and shower upon you their energy so that you become empowered mentally. You become emotionally very strong. And for that, you need to help your own self. Nobody in this world is going to help you except you, because you know yourself more than anybody else. What is going on within you? Now, I might be looking like this, very nice, very happy-go-lucky. I have to smile, but it is not easy. Something might be going inside the person, within. That person only knows what goes on within. It is very difficult to peep into the mind of someone else, unless that someone else speaks. And then who is that someone else? It's you, who's going to speak about yourself, who's going to talk about yourself. Have social connection. Have small little world is opening up. New normal is coming, better normal is coming up. Stay connected, formulate support system. Support system is very important, someone who is there to listen to you, talk to you, be with you, share certain things with you. Have certain good habits. Now you have a time, so you can read a lot. Formulate some hobby. Learn music. Music therapy is the best therapy, to empower and to balance your unequal world. It takes out all your worries. It takes out all your tensions, and you feel so nice. So let us pledge today that I will become my own motivation. I will become my own inspiration. I am responsible for my happiness. I am responsible for my own thoughts. I am responsible for positivity. And let Ma Durga give us that power to have positivity on this particular mental health day. And let us wipe out that inequality, because that inequality has taught us a lot of things. Taught us the importance of being alive. What is the importance of breathing, oxygen? So be connected, formulate your system, formulate your social network, formulate good habit, go to bed on time, eat well, because it is said you are what you eat. So eat healthy to keep your physical health, because there is a relation between mental health and physical health. Physically good, then mentally you are balanced. So let us all pledge that we will balance this mental and physical health on this particular World Mental Health Day. This is a short message I'm just giving out to you. Just a gentle reminder. I have already spoken about it earlier, but during this Navratri, on this particular occasion, really felt like talking to you and sharing these few thoughts on mental health and the theme mental health in an unequal world. Let us make it equal, being equally together with each other, and let us develop a good bond. Thank you so much once again, and wishing you a strong, balanced, and having equilibrium in mental health and making you emotionally strong. Thank you so much for listening. See you once again.